somewhere there. Day 3. I can see from Google Earth, and the fact that there's no tracks there means it's new. And Skinner added it.
It would be cool if Skinner's here also.
Yeah. So we can skin him.
I hear a bike.
Yo, Dwacky. So this looks like the new section Skinner put in. I managed to find it with him. And now we're gonna walk down. Dwacky's gonna... Huh? Yeah? I think it's not too bad.
It looks like it has grip. They go on the grass.
Yatta, boys. Just down.
You have a distance? Yeah, because I don't think down, yeah. Must be a little side hustle or something. Let's check it. They come up there. Look, yeah. They come up there.
There's the mark.
Yeah.
Where?
There
right there.
You see it?
There, sprayed. No, they're staying in this whole thing.
And then up here.
Yep, yep.
Eyeballs.
They're back, you even get scared now.
Let me actually take it.
I'm scared to even get down there walking.
No, I'm not going down there. Fuck's sake.
No, even me.
Thing, right? 10 o'clock now.
Yeah. From here we can watch them go all the way.
Cool, this is a PowerPoint.
We got lucky here, boys.
Who's number one? Payoff.